with a warm-up video using our visual learning animation from Envision. So here we go.
Jada wants to write an equation to tell how many counters in all. She uses a double 10 frame and two color counters to do so.
I'm going to do the math.
Jada finds that filling a 10 frame gives her a group of 10 ones. What color is the group of 10?
So we know that a 10 frame has 10 windows, and it asked what color is the group of 10. So looking at these two 10 frames, this one is full. So the color red is the group that has red, that's the group of 10.
The group of 10 is red. How many extra ones are there? What color are they? There are 4 extra ones. They are yellow. What equation can Jada write?
So we've learned the last couple days that we can use a group of 10 and another group to make a team number. So how can Jada write an equation here? The first number we would use is our group of 10, our greater number. We want to group our team numbers by a group of 10 first and then the extra ones. So if we're composing, then we're adding and we're going to use our plus sign. So we've got a group of 10 plus a group of 4 yellow.
She writes 10 plus 4 equals 14. There are 14 counters.
So now let's try it. She had a group of 10 and then a group of 4, and she wrote an equation. 10 red plus 4 yellow equals 14. So we could count up. One strategy would be 10 and then count up all the counters. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's try it. It says, how many counters are there? Drag the counters into the 10 frames. Fill in the top frame with red counters first. So let's move our red into the top frame because it asked us to. And we're going to be making a team number. That's the focus today. So I know that I'm going to fill up this 10 frame with the red. So that means that we will have 10, a group of 10 red. So I filled up my 10 frame on top with the red dots. Now I have extra ones down here. Let's build it. So, and we're not focusing on 16, but we're going to build 16. It's just because it's in the example. But it's still the same idea. We're putting the extra ones down below in this second 10 frame. So we've got 10 plus a group of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we made 16. We're not focusing on 16 right now, just 14 and 15 today. But this is how it's the same idea.
Jada has another set of counters and writes an equation to tell how many counters in all. How many counters does she put into the top 10 frame? She makes a group of 10 counters and fills the top 10 frame. She places 6 counters in the bottom 10 frame. Then she writes 10 plus 6 equals 16. Does Jada write an equation to match her counters?
She did write an equation to match her counters because she had 10 counters in the top 10 frame. So she wrote 10 plus 6 more yellow ones down below equals 16.
Yes, the 10 matches the red counters and the 6 matches the yellow counters. There are 16 counters. Now you know how to make 14 and 16.
So that is the end of our warm-up. So now we will go into our workbook, our lesson.